Yeah, good morning, all of you. Just a moment. So, please tell me, am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone? Yeah. Kabir, Vinod, Jamila, very good. So, I'm going to start the session. Still now, we have completed 10 sessions, 10 days class, which I have already uploaded in Madhu.K Skills YouTube channel. So, if anybody is coming or listening to this class first time, please watch those videos, and after that you can listen to this video. Even if you have a little bit knowledge on HTML, you can directly listen to this class also, even you can understand, no problem. So let us start the session. Okay, today's concept is div tags, div tags, and the usage of style attribute. So let us discuss about div tags and usage of style attribute. So first, I'm going to open editor. We know that we are using Visual Studio Code editor, right? So just I'm opening it, Visual Studio Code editor. Here we can write the code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code, it's not a problem. You can use Notepad even, or Edit Plus, even Dreamweaver, ID like HTML ID like software is there. So you can use even Dreamweaver also. You can use NetBeans even. You can use Eclipse. You can use any editor. It might be an IDE or a normal editor. You can use anything to write the programs in HTML. So just Notepad is also enough to write the programs. So now I'm using Visual Studio Code editor. Okay. So in this editor, I'm going to create a new program. Before that, so let me open a separate folder. So let me open a folder. This is the folder actually we are saving all HTML programs. C drive, users, HP, documents folder. In this documents folder we have HTML free 1. In this folder we have a programs folder. There I am storing HTML programs. So just I am opening it. If you are practicing these HTML programs by using Notepad, just open the Notepad like this. Just let me open it. Notepad. Notepad. Open the Notepad and write the code here. Blah blah blah, and you can save it. Ctrl S. Go to the documents. Here we have HTML free 1 folder. In this, I have created a separate folder, programs folder. Here I am saving the programs, right? You can give like this 1.html. That's it. Now you can save it. So 1.html file will be saved in programs folder. That's what I am doing with Visual Studio Code also. Okay. Just I have opened the Visual Studio Code. Here I have opened that programs folder so that I can see all the files here in this file explorer. From here, if you want, you can open any HTML file easily. Okay. Yeah, these are all the files which are already completed in the previous sessions. So let me write a new program. So how to write a new program here in the Visual Studio Code? It's very easy. It is the programs folder, right? Yeah, move towards right side. Here we have a small icon, file icon with plus symbol. Click there. Yeah, one new text box like editor will be opened. There you can give your HTML file name, div demo 1.html file. This is my program, div demo 1.html file. Remember one important point here, div tags. Div tags plays very important role in web page designing. Go to the Google, search for any website, open the website and see that source code of that web page. You'll find definitely div tag. Without having div tags, nobody is creating a web page. That is the importance of div tags. So that is what we are going to discuss about. It's very important concept in HTML. So this is the very important tag actually. So we know that when we write HTML file, we write a declaration tag at first, that is less than, exclamatory mark, doc type. Doc type declaration is needed. What it tells about? It tells about in which version we are writing the code or writing the HTML tags. What it tells about exactly? It tells about that, yes, I am using HTML5, that is latest version. To whom I am telling? To whom I am telling? To the browser I am telling. To the browser I am telling, hey browser, I am using HTML5. Yes. Run accordingly. That's what we are asking the browser. Okay. So we are informing the browser that I am developing or writing the code in HTML5 version. Tell me, it might be an old version or latest version. What is the root tag? Yes, HTML is the root tag. Everybody knows that. HTML is case sensitive or insensitive. Insensitive means you can use small or capital letters, no problem. HTML small letters and HTML capital letters, it won't be a problem. It is correct because HTML is case insensitive. It's not a case sensitive. So you can use like this also. Even you can give same type of codes. So this is the start of the tag and this is the end of the tag. Within that HTML element, okay, I am taking two important tags. One is head tag and second one is body tag. Everybody knows that whatever the tags or the styles we implement here in the body tag, those will be displayed in the page, and the things which we write in head tag, which are used for some purposes like including CSS, include JavaScript, which is used to set the meta information about the page. It is used to set the title, and it is also used to, in the head tag we write the code to set icons. So in the head tag we write code like setting icons, setting titles, including JavaScript codes, including CSS codes, like that, including meta information and etc. At present I am just giving a title tag. All these things we have discussed in the starting sessions only, right? So please watch them if you are very new to this class, and if you are listening to this class first time, yes, please watch those videos. Okay, yeah, thank you. This is the title tag. In this title I am placing a title, giving a title to this HTML document, that is div tags example. That is my page, that's it, example. If you run this HTML file, you can see the title, and in this web page we haven't provided any design, right? Because we haven't written anything within this body. So if you want to design a page, yes, everything, the code which is related to the web page designing has to be placed within body tag. This is only used to set the title for a tab. So let me execute this one. You can see the title for a tab. Can you tell me where we are saving it? Go to the documents and HTML free, programs, div demo. Yeah, div demo. Mouse right click, open with which browser? Or you want to open with Google Chrome, or you want to open with Internet Explorer? You can choose any browser. So I would like to open this HTML page by using Google Chrome. Yes, see, we haven't got nothing. We have got nothing here because we haven't designed anything here, but we have provided title. Where you are finding the title here? First tab, second tab, third tab. This is the third tab. Third tab title is div tags HTML example. So that is the title we have set actually. We set actually, right? Thank you. So Title setting is completed. Now we are talking about div tags. It's very important. Please listen to the class carefully. Let me create a div tag. Done. I have created a div tag. Sir, what is the use of div tag? Div tag is used to divide a web page into number of parts. Let me explain you clearly. I am opening Paint to explain it clearly. Documents, HTML free folder. Within that we have a folder called programs. Here, not programs, classes, images. 7 is okay. Let us say it is our web page, okay? It is web page. It is web page. And here I am placing a div tag. Here itself. Okay, I would like to divide this total web page into number of parts. Like this. First part for title. Second part for menu. This is the third part to place the content. And last one is the fourth part to place the footer. If you want to divide your web page like this, in this manner, title, menu, content and footer, if you want to divide like this, yes, the best way is usage of div tags. Now what I'm going to do now, let me create a first div tag first. I'm going to take only one div tag here. This is the first div tag. And to this div tag, I would like to apply some different styles, new styles. See, in HTML we have limited features to design a web page. In HTML we have some limited features to design a web page. We can't design very rich web page by using only HTML features. We have to use CSS also in HTML to design a rich web pages. To get better look to the web page, only by using HTML we can't do it. If you use CSS, that will be very rich, looks very good, because it has many features. CSS has many features to apply different styles to our HTML page. Oh, that's why we use CSS styles in HTML. Do you know how to use those CSS styles to this web page? Easy. We have different ways. Among many ways, actually we have three ways. We have three ways. Among those three ways, I am using one way, that is using style attribute. I can apply CSS styles to the present HTML page. Yes, we can do it. That's what I am doing. So what is style here? Style is an attribute. What is the use of style attribute? Style attribute is used to include the CSS properties or CSS styles to the present HTML tags or elements. Now tell me, is it a div tag or not? Yes, sir. To this I would like to apply some styles like background color. Background color is light gray. Light gray. I have applied light gray to the div tag. Now I am going to execute this HTML file. Okay, so let me execute this one. This is the HTML file, right? Refresh it. Have you seen anything here? Have you find anything here in this page? Nothing. Why? We have got nothing. Because div tag by default has 0 width, 0 height, means 0 size. Div tags are always 0 size. Okay, so if you want to apply some size, we can do it. Then you can see the background color. So by default every div tag has a 0 size, 0 width, 0 height. That's why we can't see anything here, even though you have set some background color, right? So what now I have to do? Give width. Width is equal to 100%. What it means? Means I'm telling that width must be occupy 100% of the screen. Width 100%. What about height? I haven't mentioned the height, right? So let me refresh it. We've got nothing even, because we set the width but not height. If you don't have any height, you can't see anything. So that's why I'm gonna set height also to this div tag. So how do we set that? HEI, height. And remember one thing, you can't set the height in percentages. That's very important point. In the latest version of HTML, I'm using HTML5. That is the latest version. In HTML5, you can't set the height in percentage. It's not possible. You can set the width in percentages, but you can't set the height in percentages. Then how do we set? By using pixels. I'm using 300 pixels. Refresh. Yes, now we got it. So this is the div tag. Okay, this is our div tag. Next, this is the first div tag, right? I'm improving little bit. 700 pixels, almost occupied. Let me give some 730 pixels. I think it's okay. Everything is fine. Now div tag is created, and that div tag is occupied total web page. Right? Yeah. Do you know one thing? We can write a div tag within another div tag if you want. We can write a div tag within another div tag. See, I'm writing a sub div tag. I've written a sub div tag. Now what I'm doing here is I'm applying some styles to this div tag also even. Okay, that is background color. First background color I'm giving, and I would like to give black at present. I'll remove that one in future, but at present I'm giving background color black, and width is 100% as usual. 100%. What about height? Height is 60 pixels is enough, I think. So can you tell me what I've done here? I'll tell you. Just a moment. What is my plan is actually, this is a web page, right? This is a web page. Let us say it is a web page, okay? And I have created a div tag which occupies almost web page size. This is the div tag. Let us say it is a div tag. Div tag background color is light gray, right? Yeah, I have given that light gray. That is the first div tag I have created. Okay, that is the first div tag. What is the width of this div tag? Anybody tell me? What is the div tag width? That is 100%, right? Yeah, 100% is the width. What about height? What is the height of this div tag? Div tag's width is 730 pixels, right? Yeah, 730 pixels. Yeah, okay. Now we know that width is 100%, height is 730 pixels. Now I would like to divide this div tag into number of subdivs. I would like to partition this div tag into number of subparts. This is the first part, let us say. I would like to do like that. So that's what I've done here. I've taken a sub div tag. Height is, let us say, 80 pixels, and see the output. See the output now. Refresh. Then I'm taking another div tag to place the menu. Here I'm going to in the first div tag, in the first sub div tag, I would like to place title. So this is the tag I have created to place the title. And I am creating another div tag within the main div tag, this is the another div tag, to put the menu, to place the menu. That's good. And I'm going to create another div tag to place the content. This is another div tag, let us say. Okay, so I'm going to create another div tag to place the content of this page, of this web page. Content of this web page. Actually, it's a very important class in my point of view, because this is the base to create your own website. And what about the last one? This is also another div tag which is used to place the footer. So it is used to place the footer. You're done. So like this I would like to design our page. So first div tag I have taken, it's done. Let me take another div tag, okay, third one and fourth one. What about the second one? For the second one, I am assigning a color called green color, and width is 100%, height is just 30 pixels. Just a moment, let me watch it. Yeah, this is the one, 100%. Then so 30 looks like very, yeah, 40 is okay, I think, in my point of view 40 is okay. Then what about the content? Third div tag is content, right? This is the one, this is the biggest one. So how much space is occupied for this title? Can anybody tell me? 80 pixels, right? 80 pixels. It is 40 pixels, right? What is the height of the main div tag? 730 pixels. Within that 730 pixels, you need to place all these 4 sub div tags. That's what we have to do. Got it? So total 730, right? In that 730, 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 means 120. Just remove the 120. 610, I think. Yeah, 610. Remaining 610 pixels are there, okay, within that main div tag. So I am assigning almost 580 here. 100% width, 580 pixels for content. And I'm not assigning any background color for this. Just remove it. I don't want any background color. Sorry. Open it, refresh. See what happened. This is a third div tag. First, second, third div tag. What about last one? Open it. 580 plus 40. 620 plus 80. 700. What about 30 pixels height, and background color is green. No, it's okay. And what about the title? To the title I would like to remove that background color also. Even I don't want to set any background color for the title. Just remove it. Now see the output. This is the page. So this is my first web page. I have designed it only by using div tags. What I have done, I have taken a main div tag. To that main div tag I have added 4 sub div tags. First sub div tag is used to place the title, second sub div tag is used to place the menu, third div tag is used to place the content, and fourth div tag which is used to place the footer content. Let us place those things also even. Okay, so now I would like to place the title first. Title, yeah, title. I have placed the title. title is here India. Just I have given India, or you can say Bharat, anything is okay. So let me refresh it. Have you got anything? Nothing. Oh sorry yaar, to put the title we have to write heading tag. Okay, Bharat, sorry. We've got it, Bharat, that's cool. But one thing you have to do, what is it? In the head tag write an extra tag called style. It is another way to include CSS properties into our HTML page. By using style attribute, we can add CSS properties to the present page. Background color is a CSS property, its value is light gray. Width is a CSS property, its value is 100%. Height is a CSS property, 730 pixels is the value. So here whatever the property value pairs I have used within a value of style attribute, those are CSS properties or CSS styles. This is one way of including CSS, this is another way of including CSS, but here I am not writing much, just I am keeping star, open closed curly braces, margin, colon 0 pixels. If you give this one, I'll explain it clearly in the next session, because we don't have that much time I think in this session to explain more about CSS. Okay, so I'll explain it in the next session about that margin, 0 pixels and everything. Just I am giving you some information now. After writing this code, please watch our web page, see that. Have you find any extra spaces here? White space, and after that gray color, right? And after that green, after that again gray color, and at last for footer green. And some spaces you might have seen. This is the space, extra space. To remove those extra spaces, do this one. Write it down, this tag, this CSS property. What is the meaning of star? To every tag I am applying margin 0 pixels. That's it. If you write this code, we will explain it, we will discuss about it in later or coming sessions. Okay, just leave it, write it down. In the head tag, write a style tag, within that star, open close curly braces, margin 0 pixels, colon, margin colon 0 pixels, semicolon. That's it. It's enough. So let me refresh this page. These extra spaces will be deleted. Okay, 1 2 3 go. That's it. No spaces you might find. Even extra spaces like this, you see. Let me remove this code again. You can see that difference. I've removed it from the code and refresh it. See the extra spaces, left side, right side, down side, even top side. You got some extra spaces. To remove those extra spaces, write it down this code. That's it, and refresh it. Done. Now full concentration on div tags only. Please listen to the class, and if you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. Okay, I'll clarify it about regarding this HTML pages, whatever it may be. Better give the comments. In the comments itself, ask the questions. Okay, so that many other people knows that yeah, we are giving the answers or replies to you about HTML. So if you have any doubts regarding other concepts like core Java, that is another session. In those videos, ask those questions. Okay, like that. So at present, after seeing this video, if you want to WhatsApp me, you can WhatsApp me. But my suggestion is, in the comments, ask the questions. There itself, I'll reply it. Okay, that's the good one, I think. Yeah. What about? Yeah, I have typed Bharat by using h1 tag. That is heading 1 tag. That is the main heading, which is used to h1 tag is actually used to put the main heading. Sir, can I move this one to the middle if you want? Yes, you can if you want. If you want, you can. Yeah, this is the one. Style, text align center. This is also CSS property. So can I change the style of that Yeah, can I change the font style or font family or font color? Yes, we can. Text color, font family, which one is good? Georgia, Bharat, agency FP. Yeah, okay. Font family, font style italic, and font size is 30 pixels. I would like to improve little bit the size. No, 40 is good, I think. You can even give 50. Yeah, Bharat within brackets India. That's good. So that is my title. Sir, I would like to place some image also. Is it possible? Yes, why can't? You can place images also if you want within this div tag. Go to the Google search engine. Search for GIF Indian flag. Go to the images option. You can choose one thing here. Is it okay? So let me save it. Save image as. Yeah, I have already done it. Software Kids program is running. For them I have already taught this one. Okay, Software Kids, 4th class, 5th class, 6th class, 7th class, even intermediate students, all of them I am taking a special classes, totally special classes, especially for children, kids. They can even, they are designing this web page also. Whatever I am teaching you, they are already designing it. See, here you can see. I am not lying you. Okay, just a moment, I will show you even. HTML, programs, flag. In the programs folder itself I have saved it, right? So just a minute. Software Kids program is there. See this, Software Kids. Battery is low. Priya madam, अरे प्रिया फोन ఇవ్వండి రా ఫోన్ ఛార్జింగ్ లేదు దానికి వదిలేసారు అక్కడ ఇటు పెట్టు ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టు ఇటు ఛార్జింగ్ ఉందా అసలు ఛార్జింగ్ లేకపోతే ఎట్లా నాన్న see this, see these images. Jnanamayi sent this one to me. This is the another web page done by other kid. These are the practice sessions they have done. This is another one. So they are doing already. Okay, see this, these are all done by kids only. So they are already doing it. Software Kids program is running for kids, especially for kids. That's what we are doing now. So I'd like to place that image, whatever the image you want, you can take it and we can place it anywhere you want. So can you tell me where I've saved that image, GIF image? In the programs folder itself, right? I think in the programs folder itself. Yeah, this one, flag.gif. This is the one. Okay, I would like to place it in our website, in our web page. Sorry, in our web page. So do one thing. img tag. Just I am taking img tag. And src, source is equal to, yeah, can you tell me what is that source? What is that image? Flag.gif. Yeah, thank you. So let us refresh it. Is it looking good? Okay, it's okay. I would like to place it a little bit upper side. Otherwise, do we have any other images? No. Okay, it's okay. Everything is okay. You can design this one. Okay, if you want, you can take different images. Now I would like to move a little bit upper side. How we can do that? Do we have any other feature to move this image or flag little bit upper? Can we do that? So by using styles we can do that. Style margin top, okay, little bit upside, minus I would like to reduce upper side, from upside only little bit down here, it is placed here, right? So if you want to move upside, okay, if you want to move little bit down, it's very easy. Like this you can move down towards downside, 100 pixels. If you give the positive value, see that, let us say you have given 200 pixels moving towards downside, right? So if you want to move upper side, what do you have to do? Minus 100 pixels, that's it. Okay, minus I think 80 or 70 is enough. It's okay. I would like to change the size also. Even simply we can change the size like this, width is 100 pixels, that's okay, and minus 80, not 60, yeah, 60 is enough, I think. That's it. So like this we can place any image. If you want, you can place any image. So this is my title page. Title page is designed clearly. Now I am going to design the menu also, but basic tags I am going to use. Day by day we'll improve, one by one. Just basic menu I would like to create, just basic, very basic, by using anchor tags. Yes, by using anchor tags we can design a simple menu. So where you would like to place that menu? This is the second div tag is there with green background color. Here I would like to place anchor tags. So this is anchor tag. What is the use of anchor tag? Simply it is used to move from one page to another page, and it is also used to move from one website to another website. If you want to open image by clicking something, you can do it by using anchor tag. Okay, so this is the anchor tag. Here I am giving like about us. About us is enough. And if you click on about us, this page is going to invoke about us.html. We haven't written that HTML file still. So if you click about us, this page will be opened, but we don't have that page, that's why we'll get an error. No problem. Done. So here we have that one, right? About us. I would like to change the color white. See that about us color is white. Okay, about us. And I would like to change the font size also, even font hyphen size little bit. Large is okay. No, X large. Yeah, looks good. Okay, it's okay. About us. And font family, which one is okay for us? Impact is okay. Oh, it's okay. Now I need to reduce the size, I think. Yeah, it's okay. So about us. So first anchor tag I have created. If you click on about us.html page will be opened, but we haven't written that code. We haven't created about us.html file. That's why we are getting an error. So, but you understand what is the use of this tag. If you click it, new page will be opened. That's it. I would like to create another menu. First one is about us, right? I would like to create another menu. Just do the same anchor tag, about us, register. href is equal to hyperlink reference. H means hyperlink, ref means reference. Hyperlink reference is equal to, give any HTML page which you want to open when you click register. Register.html. So another anchor tag is placed there. Yeah. So now I would like to apply same styles. That's what we have applied for first anchor tag. So how do we do that? Style, font size is large, font family is impact, and font color is white. Done. About us, register. Then the third one. Can I copy the second one? Copy, paste, 2, 3. Okay, enough. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Total 5 anchor tags I have placed. The third one is, login menu. If you click on login.html page will be opened. If you click on anything else, about us, register, login, contact us, and it's okay. Contact us.html page. So total first, second, third, four anchor tags. Yeah, let us see the output. About us, register, login, and contact us. This is the menu. Like this we can create menu. We can create sub menus also. Not now. We need to learn CSS clearly in depth. Then you can create our own sub menus also. Even if you mouse over onto the menu, then you can find number of sub menus like this. We can do that, but it will take time. Keep on practicing. I'll do that. I'll explain you how to do that. Yeah. So about us, register, login, and contact us. Okay. Somebody's intention is, can't we give the space between about us, register, login, and contact us menus? Yes, we can. We can give some space also if you want. So this is the first one. First anchor tag is closed here, right? So after first anchor tag, I would like to place some space. For that, I'm using ampersand NBSP, non-breaking space. First one, second, enough I think. One R symbol, I have placed R symbol, and 2 more spaces. I think looks okay, looks good. copy, paste, third one and fourth one. That's it. About us, register, login, contact us. Looking okay, right? All the tags are okay. Now I would like to move down towards in middle. Okay, I would like to place all these menus in the middle, exactly in the middle, here itself, not here, here itself, but little bit downside, within that green color background, within that div tag itself. So how to do that? Margin, we can use margin. First anchor tag, margin top. From top I would like to reduce or move towards downside little bit within this div tag, okay? So top 10 pixels, is it high? No, it's not moving. Margin top, it's not moving. Yeah, we can do one thing. Is it done? Yeah, it's done. Go to the div tag itself. This is the div tag. Within that div tag we have these four menus, right? If you want to increase the space between the content and an element, we can use the padding. If you want to increase the space between content and element, actually all these menus are just like content for div tag, second sub div tag. For second sub div tag, these are all menus are like content. So if you want to increase the space between this border, div tag border and menus, we can use padding here in the starting tag of the div tag. So I am going to use padding top. I think it's going to work. Let us see. 10 pixels is enough. Padding top, that's good, it's working. Do you want to give any space from left side also? Yes sir. Then padding left. How much? 20 pixels. That's okay. You can move even little bit more, like 50 pixels. That's it. So this is the about us page, register, login, contact us. How it is looking? It's looking good, right? Now little bit improved. This is our web page. Here I can provide some content about India or Bharat. About Bharat. Go to the Wikipedia, there we can find more information. I am just copying the same code, going to the third div tag. Within this div tag I would like to place any title. About India, let me give about India. I am providing a pre-formatted tag. There I have placed this content. Sorry. Let me go to this page and watch it. This article is about the Republic of India. For other uses, see India, disambiguation, Bharat, redirects here, some etc. Some information is there. And I would like to place some paragraph tags also here. This is pre-formatted tag. Thus, that pre-formatted tag displays the text like this, that is in different style, and the text will be placed in whatever the way you have copied or pasted here or placed here in this pre tag. See, I am giving spaces. You can see the spaces also there. After this you have got spaces, and I'd like to yeah, I have given enter. See, within three places, three lines, the total data is placed, because here in the preformatted tag I have given like this. Yes, it's a live session, don't come here. Thank you. Next, within the paragraph tag I would like to provide some information about India or Bharat, whatever it may be. India, in Hindi we say Bharat, officially the Republic of India. Okay, let me copy this paragraph and just pasting it here. We are providing some content from other sources, that's it. Yeah, div tag, use it, done. So like this you can place even more paragraphs. Paragraph, just for explanation I am using Wikipedia, that's it. I am getting this total information from Wikipedia. Yeah, place it. Let me write another paragraph tag. Copy, paste. So like this we can give many number of paragraphs if you want. It's enough for me. Yeah, it's okay. This is the last one. I have placed it here, and go to the Chrome, open our web page, refresh it. Yeah, what happened? Am I written perfectly or not? First, second and third. Everything is fine, right? But we haven't got any spaces between paragraph tags. Why? What happened? Second, third, fourth. Yeah, got it. I've given this feature, right? That's why extra spaces are not displaying. That is the problem. Okay, it's not a problem. I'll place it if you want. And the first paragraph tag, to the first paragraph tag I'm applying some CSS styles. In the first paragraph tag we have some content, right? And let me give some background color. I don't want to give the background color, but to know the first paragraph I am just giving background color now. Background color, which color we're gonna give? Yeah, just like green. That is the first paragraph, but I would like to place that paragraph not like this. First line is very nearer to the border world, second line is also very nearer to the border. I don't want to place the content very nearer to the border. I would like to move the content towards right side little bit. Okay, so I'd like to place the content in middle, just like middle. Okay, so how do we do that? Simple. We have a margin, sorry, padding. What is the use of padding? If you want to give extra space between the content and the border of the element, we can use the padding. What is padding? If you want to place a space, if you want to insert some space between the content and the tag border, you can use padding. So this is the tag. Here I am using padding. I would like to place padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. Okay, padding left 20 pixels. Next, padding top, again 20 pixels. Next, padding right, again 20 pixels. And padding down, sorry, bottom, padding bottom, again 20 pixels. Now see that one only. See, looking good, right? It's looking good. Now. Sir, 4 times we set the padding top, sorry, padding left, top, right, down. Totally 4 times we set. Can't we reduce this one? Do we have any other feature in CSS? Because all the sides I'm giving same 20 pixels, right? Yes, we can do it very easily. See this one, style, background color same. I'm gonna apply same color. It looks good, right? That's why. Yeah. Now padding, only give the padding, not padding left or right or top or bottom, and mention 20 pixels. It will automatically applies to all the sides of this present paragraph tag. See that? How is it? Looking good, right? That's cool. So do the same for the remaining paragraphs. See, by using CSS we can reuse the code even. We are writing the same code. For the first tag I'm applying the same CSS styles. For second tag I'm applying the same CSS styles. For the third tag and fourth tag also I'm gonna apply the same CSS styles. But here we can reuse that code if you want. No need to write it down every time. We can reuse that code. But in the next coming sessions I'll tell you about how to reuse CSS. At present I'm typing many number of times, repeatedly, continuously. Okay, so our code has some drawback, that is redundancy. If you write the same code number of times, which is called redundancy, right? So it's okay, we are in learning stage, right? Small errors are acceptable. Background color, but it gives more grip on this concept. If you type many number of times, that is also advantage for a learner, because we are doing the same again and again. That's why the concepts will be sit in your mind. Okay, will be stick on your mind. I can't use that word properly, but you can understand what I'm saying. So you can't forget it if you do the practice many number of times. So that's good. So that's what we are doing here. So same thing, and border, no, padding, yeah, 20 pixels. And the last one, style, background color, chart reuse. Okay, and padding 20 pixels all the sides. Done. Hey, what happened? It looks not good even, because within this third div tag I have placed the content that is much larger than the size of the third div tag. Then we have got a problem. Fourth div tag is there. This is the background color green. Okay, and it is overcome that one also even. So how to solve it? For this also we have a solution. How we can do that? Please here watch it. First do one thing. Give the size as min height for the outer div tag. The main div tag we have, right? Give min height. Min height means this is the minimum height. Maximum height is, that's your wish. You can extend it. You can expand it if you want. That is the minimum size. Okay, and also I'm gonna give minimum size for the content div. This is the content div. So I have written this div tag for content. So here the height is not fixed, it is min height. Minimum height is, that is the minimum height. If you place extra content, automatically that div tag will be expanded. Is it gonna work? Let us check it out now. refresh. Yeah, it's working. See that? At present, not overriding or overlapping that the fourth div tag. That's it. See how many things we are learning here in this class today. I think this is very important class for everyone who wants to design web page. And if anybody is learning advanced Java, there if you are learning about servlets, JSP, yeah, by using servlets and JSP we can develop websites, dynamic websites. There you have to use HTML. Without having HTML you can't develop websites, right? Even it might be a PHP or a .NET or Python or Java. If you want to develop a website, dynamic website, for design web pages, HTML, CSS is needed. And to provide interaction, dynamicness, you need Java or PHP or Python or .NET, whatever you are familiar with, you can use it. So in Java, if you are learning about servlets and JSP, yes, you can develop dynamic websites. There, if you want to design a page, you can't use Java. You have to use HTML and CSS here. So for advanced Java students also, it is very helpful. Practice more. And somebody is coming to the advanced Java class. Okay? Yeah. In that class, it will be very helpful. Okay? Thank you. So practice more. Next, what about the last div tag? What about the last div tag? There I would like to place footer. I would like to place footer here. Paragraph tag. All rights reserved. Copyright Quirina Software Solutions Private Limited. So I would like to set the color, foreground color, that is white. White will be good, I think. I would like to move the content to the middle. Text align center. And I would like to set the padding top is enough. Padding top 10 pixels. I'm moving the content little bit downside. Oh yeah, it's okay, looking good. Done. If you want the font size little bit more font size, if you want to increase the font size 25 pixels. Let us see, is it good or not? Yeah, it's okay. So this is our first web page we have created by using div tags, and also we have applied some CSS common properties: background color, padding, margin. Okay. Yeah, we have discussed all these things, right? We have placed menus, we have discussed about div tags, and yeah, margins and padding, and font styles, font size, background color, text hyphen align. Okay, all these things we have learned. Even how to place images in whatever place you want. These are all the basic things we have learned. In tomorrow's session, we're going to discuss about what is the exact difference between margin and padding, and many more things about CSS also even. So thank you all guys. If you like the class, please suggest to your friends so that they can learn HTML very easily. And the one point I would like to tell you, I'm talking in English, I'm taking the class in English, right? I'm not able to add humorous to this class. I'm actually very eager to add humorous in this class, but I'm not able to do it because I'm Telugu medium student. Okay, please consider it and try to understand in future after completion of this English session on HTML. I'll definitely start the Telugu session. Okay, that will be more humorous, and even you can understand better than these classes, whatever the English classes you are listening to. But I hope it is useful to everyone. So please do practice and ask the doubts if you want in the comment section, and I reply them. Thank you all, guys. And see my WhatsApp number if you want, 9912280626. And if anybody is interested, kids who wants to learn the computers technology, I'm the best one, that's for sure. I can give 100%, not 100%, even 1000% correct knowledge to the students. You are watching so many advertisements. They're taking almost 750 rupees for 1 hour class. Do you know that? But the truth is, they are not making the kids learn the code. Kids are not learning code. They are bluffing you. Got it? I'm not using the words who are doing that thing. So they are bluffing you and taking your money. But I'll teach them the code, exactly code. But to make those people, the students, the kids learn the kind of code, it will take a lot of time. To teach the coding, it will take more time. Like step by step, you need to take a small concept and you have to teach repeatedly until that kid understands. Don't make them feel stress. They have to enjoy the class. That's what actually happening. Software Kids program I have started, that is successfully running, really successfully running. I'll soon, within 1 month, they'll develop websites, and I'll provide those links in our groups. Okay, you'll feel proud actually by seeing those kids. That is code. That is not code. The advertisement you are watching, that's not code actually. Just they are providing drag and drop, and one app is creating, and they are saying that your kid is developed app. That's not correct.